Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your email address on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your account, and once you've logged into your account, you will basically just look for the account section. So it really depends on the layout of your the version that you currently have. So it should be somewhere right here. So just go and explore that so that you will be able to see it. And again, after you see the account section, you will just have to click security and settings or security settings, and then you will see email. So go ahead and click change email, and then you will just have to enter your new email address and confirm your current password. And you would also need to complete the 2FA verification. And then after that, you will just have to check your email inbox and click the verification link, and your um MEXC account email is now updated. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope this worked for you. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.